Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make maneuver with sensor and relay wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB1, DP MCB2, RCCB circuit breaker, relay, light, wire sensor. Phase connection input to DP MCB1. Neutral connection input to DP MCB1, phase connection from DP MCB1 to connect DP MCB2, neutral connection from DP MCB1 to connect DP MCB2, phase connection from DP MCB2 to connect RCCB, neutral connection from DP MCB2 to connect RCCB, phase connection from RCCB to connect relay, neutral connection from RCCB to connect wire sensor, another connection from relay to wire sensor, another connection short in relay, output connection from relay to connect light, another output connection from relay to connect light, earthing connection input to this circuit. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend, share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.